There are important updates to the Canadian Super Visa in 2026 that you need to know about. If you're looking to bring your parents or grandparents to Canada, IRCC just introduced two major changes to make the process easier. First, the income assessment period has changed. Instead of being strictly evaluated on your single previous tax year, you can now use your income from either of the last two tax years to meet the cutoff. Second, the main applicants, meaning your visiting parents or grandparents, can now combine their own income with yours to help meet the financial threshold. As a reminder, the Super Visa is a fantastic option that allows for a much longer period of stay of up to 5 years per entry. However, applicants must still pass the immigration medical exam and secure health insurance with at least $100,000 in coverage for 1 year. These updates are a direct part of Canada's efforts to maintain family reunification, especially since parents and grandparents' sponsorship program officially closed to new applications this year. With these new changes, the Super Visa is significantly more accessible, and many more people will qualify now. If you didn't qualify before due to strict income cutoffs, do not miss this opportunity. Contact Dara Immigration Services today for a reassessment to see if you qualify under the new updates.